Good morning, students. Today we discuss about motion and time. Motion and time. Motion, moving objects, moving bodies, moving buses, moving autos, moving cars, moving bikes. These are all vehicles are in motion on the road. Okay, trains and aeroplanes. We know that moving objects, moving bodies, moving vehicles. We are sometimes we are running, walking. This is also a motion or a moving. Okay, what is meant by motion? What is meant by motion of your body? What is meant by resting position of body? What is meant by motion? A body is said to be is in motion. A body is said to be is in motion if it continuously changes its position, compared its surroundings with time. What is meant by motion? A body is in motion if it continuously changes its position compared with its surroundings with time. Then that body is in motion. That means అనగా ఒక బాడీ మోషన్లో ఉందని ఎప్పుడు అంటామంటే ఆ బాడీ ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూగా దాని ప్లేస్ని మారుతా ఉండాలి టైంతో పాటు. సరౌండింగ్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే సరౌండింగ్స్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఆ బాడీ మూవ్ అవుతూ ప్లేస్ చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉండాలి టైంతో పాటు. అట్లా టైంతో పాటు ఒక బాడీ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేసులు మారుతా చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే దట్ బాడీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ మోషన్. A body is said to be motion. What is meant by motion? A body is said to be motion if it continuously changes its position compared its surroundings with time. Then that body is in motion. What is meant by resting state of body? What is meant by resting state? If your body is in resting state, if it does not changes its position compared its surroundings with time, then that body is in resting state. అంటే సరౌండింగ్స్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే టైంతో పాటు ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఒక బాడీ అనేది దాని ప్లేస్ని చేంజ్ అవ్వకుండా కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఒకే ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నట్లయితే దట్ బాడీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ రెస్టింగ్ స్టేట్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బిల్డింగ్స్ ట్రీస్, హెవీ ట్రీస్ ఎక్సెట్రా. ఓకే, motion and the resting state of body. Motion of body, resting state of body. Now we observe some pictures in your textbook, page number 28. Page number 28, observe some pictures. Here, page number 28. Here one house, one gate and a car is moving on road. And a car enter on the road through gate of the house. So here building, one house, in front of the house one gate is there and a car is there. Car moving on road. Okay, car moving on road. Some questions here. Distance between driver and the car changes. Inside the car, the distance between driver and the car changes. It's true or false? It's a false statement. Distance between driver and car does not change. So it is a false statement. First statement is false statement, page number 29. Another one, the distance between car and the gate of the house changes. Distance between car and the gate of the house. Car enter on the road through gate. Distance between car and the gate of house changes. Yes, the distance between car and the gate of house changes. The distance gradually increases. So it is a true statement. The distance between car and the gate of house is a true statement. Okay. Another one is there is no change the position of the gate of the house. There is no change the position of the gate of the house with respect to its surroundings. With respect to surroundings, there is no change on the gate of the house. Yes, it is a true statement. There is no change the gate of the house with respect to surroundings. It is a true statement. Okay. Another one. There is no change in the position of the car. There is no change in the position of the car with respect to its surrounding. The car is in moving state. But the car is in moving state. Yes, there is no changing in position of the car with respect to surroundings. It is a true statement or false statement? It is a false statement. Okay, there is a changing position of a car with respect to its surroundings. Changing the position of the car with respect to surroundings. There is no change the position of the car with respect to surroundings. It is a false statement. False statement. Here, see the children. Here, one bulk of water, pond of water. Surroundings hills, some trees are there. Man sitting on boat. Boat is moving on pond. Here, girl sitting on seat of swing. Girl sitting on seat of swing. Girl is swinging. Here, a girl riding a bicycle on the road. In these three situations, moving bodies and resting bodies, both at a time, both cases exist. Here students, here man sitting on the boat. With respect to boat, the man is in resting state. Boat is there, man is there. The man is at rest with compared to boat. But the man is in motion with compared to surroundings, because the boat moving on the water. The man moves with compared to surroundings, but the man is in the rest. Same man is in the rest with respect to boat. So at that time, the man is in moving state with compared to one statement. Example, boat. The man is in resting state. The man is in moving state compared to surrounding. That is the one statement. The man is in the resting state compared to another statement, that is boat. Here, girl sitting on a seat of swing. With respect to swing, seat on swing, the girl is at rest. With respect to surroundings, the girl is in motion, swinging, is in motion. Here, the girl riding a bicycle. With respect to bicycle, the girl is at resting state. The girl simply sitting on the seat of the bicycle. Bicycle is there, girl is there. So with respect to bicycle, the girl is at resting state. But the girl is in moving state with respect to road. రోడ్డుతో కంపేర్ చేస్తే గర్ల్ మూవ్తూ ఉంది, సైకిల్ మీద రైడ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. కానీ బైసికల్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే గర్ల్ ఎక్కడ కూర్చుందో అక్కడే కూర్చుంది, ఎంత దూరం అయినా కానీ. బైసికల్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ద గర్ల్ ఈజ్ ఎట్ రెస్టింగ్ స్టేట్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, అండర్స్టాండ్? ఓకే, what is meant by motion? A body is said to be is in motion If there is no change, there is a change, continuously changes its position, compare its surroundings with time, then the body is in moving motion. What is in the resting state of body? The body is said to be in resting state if there is no change its position, compared its surroundings with time, then the body is in resting state. If a body is in moving state with respect to one statement, simultaneously the same body is in resting state compared to another statement. Same body simultaneously at a time. అదే సమయంలో boat to man resting state. This man compared to surroundings moving state on the pond. Okay, అట్లాగే నెక్స్ట్ స్వింగ్, గర్ల్ స్వింగింగ్, స్వింగ్ on the swing the girl. With respect to seat of the swing, the girl is in rest, one statement. With respect to surrounding, the girl is in moving state. That is the other statement. The girl ride a bicycle. With respect to bicycle, the girl is at resting state. With respect to road, the girl is in moving state. Okay, children? We will meet in the next class. Okay? Okay, students.